Hey, so this is the last module, Module 10, July 8th through the 9th. So, read Chapter 18, The Traditional Arts of Asia, take that quiz. There's no lecture videos on this chapter. And then watch the culture show, The Art of Chinese Painting, and then take the corresponding quiz by July 9th before 11:30 p.m. And that should automatically grade because it's in Brightspace. So, here's the part 1 of the video, part 2 of the video, and then the quiz here. So there's just 2 parts. I believe they're each around 20 minutes long, maybe. So this is a 10-question quiz. It's over the 2 videos, which are above. You get 35 minutes to take the quiz. You get 1 attempt. Obviously, using 2 devices for this, 1 device to watch the video on, and then 1 device to take the quiz on would be a good idea. So that is our last module, and it's been really good working with all of you, getting to know all of you, and I hope you have a great rest of your summer.